Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Briszell, and today guys, I am going to be doing the May Izzy and Liv brown sugar box unboxing. Let's just get straight into it. And this is the cover. Ooh, I like it. It's cute. So the first item that is on top is their magazine. I really love this picture. So the first item that I received is Viola Davis's book, Finding Me. Honestly, and I did not know she had a book, and I am really happy that I received this. I am going to start reading this immediately. So the next item that I received is, what is this? It is a blouse. Let's open it. Ooh, okay. It has a bunch of like faces of girls on it, different shades. Okay. So the next item is their t-shirt. Ooh, this is cute. I really love this color, this pink mauve color. I really like that. And then I like the picture on the front with the three girls. This shirt is cute. So the next item is, it's a luggage organizer. This is what it looks like. Okay, so it has like a handle. Inside are some of these pouches, and they're different sizes. This one has the mesh on the front so you can actually see what's inside of it. And then a smaller one. Okay. And it has this really cool design on it. Can you guys see that? Yes, look at that. This is cute. I guess you can use this if you're going on, when you go on a trip. I guess you could use these for anything, really. You know, I really like when I receive bags. I really like that because every bag I've received from them, well, okay, hold on. How many have I received first of all? I think I've received 2 so far, and I really like both of them, so I really enjoy receiving these bags. I feel like they are very helpful. These are really cute, and you can use it for when you travel. And the last item is a wallet. It is a really cute purple wallet. Tell me this is not the cutest design, like. And then when you open it, you have the places for your cards. And then it has a zipper on the top to hold your coins. This is really cute. I really love this design. Oh my goodness. I'm going to use this like immediately. I'm going to switch out the wallet that I do have, and I think it's time for me to switch my wallet. So I am excited to do so. So that was everything that I received in my May Izzy and Liv brown sugar box. And I really love all of the items that I received in this month's box. Well, in May's box, because it's not this month's box. And I cannot wait to read Viola Davis's book. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate all of you guys for taking out your time to watch this video. Thank you guys so much. If you did enjoy this video though, please give me a thumbs up because it does help me out so much. And if you're not subscribed and you want to be, don't forget to hit the subscription button down below, guys. And until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.